Hi everybody, I'm GiGi of GiGi Celebrities, and today I feel rather patriotic because I'm wearing a blue bra and a red shirt. But we are not making a 4th of July recipe today because it is not July anymore, everybody. Just thought I would let you know. That being said, what I am going to be making today involves avocados, and a lot of people associate avocados with the summer months. That being said, you can eat them any time of the year, it really doesn't matter. Now, what I'm gonna be making today is a recipe I keep seeing everywhere, and I'm not convinced it really works. I'm gonna make avocado fries, but I'm gonna make them GiGi approved because all of these recipes I see have almond flour in them, and as you guys probably know at this point, I cannot have almond flour. So I'm gonna use coconut flour, tapioca flour, some salt and pepper, different herbs and spices. I might even make some sweet fries, just saying. And I'm gonna air fry these babies. Let's see if this works. Okay everybody, as promised, I have savory and sweet avocado fries here. I put a little ketchup on these, and I put a little ChocZero vanilla syrup on these babies right here. So I wonder which flavor I'm going to like better. Regardless, my mouth really wants to eat right now because it's starving. So let's chow down. My mom always told me to eat the savory before the sweet anyway, so why don't I give this one a go? Ooh. I can see why people like this because you bite into the crispy and you hit the creamy. I love the crispy exterior and the creamy interior. That's what she said. Okay, let me try with the ketchup on it. I think I like it better with the ketchup on it, to be honest. But then again, I am a huge fan of ketchup, so if you're not a fan of ketchup, then this might not be the dip for you. Certainly is for me, though. It's like I'm eating an avocado burger right now without the burger. Yeah, that's right, guys. These are vegetarian. Let's see if I like dessert better than the main course. Look at this drippy situation. All right, let's try some without any of the syrup on it first. I don't want to say it, guys. I really don't. But the sweet variety is better than the savory variety. And I'm not even the type of person that has a sweet tooth, so this is crazy for me. This is crazy, and I freaking love it. Oh man. I have made sweet avocado recipes before, and they never fail my taste buds. So I really had no doubt in my mind that this was gonna be good. And it is. These are good, but these are better. And speaking of sweet and savory, what do you guys prefer, sweet or savory? I typically, and I've always said that I'm the savory person, but right now in this instance, definitely the sweet girl. Well, that means I am devouring the rest of these sweets. I'm glad you guys stuck with me in order to see whether or not these avocado fries were actually a good thing. I don't know what people are talking about with the savory version because that's all I've seen all over the internet. The sweet version is where it's at. Have you guys seen sweet avocado fries yet on the internet? Or is this the first time? Do let me know in the comments below. Also, please do subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, and I will see you all next week. Bye. Screw savory, I want sweet. Oh, yeah, the sweet is fucking, The sweet wins. Winner!